Most people think electric toothbrushes are automatically better, cleaner, more effective. Basically, the upgrade from manual brushing. But what if I told you that using an electric toothbrush the wrong way can actually damage your teeth? And most people don't even realize they're doing it. Because the biggest problem isn't the toothbrush, it's how you use it. Let me explain. When people switch to an electric toothbrush, they carry over one habit from manual brushing: scrubbing. Moving the brush back and forth, pressing harder, trying to clean more. But electric toothbrushes don't work like that. They're already moving. Thousands of tiny motions per minute. So when you add pressure and extra movement, you're not cleaning better. You're actually wearing down your enamel. Slowly, over time. And enamel doesn't grow back. Now here's where it gets worse. Most people think more pressure equals more cleaning, but in reality, more pressure can mean less cleaning. Because many electric toothbrushes are designed to stop or reduce movement when you press too hard. So instead of improving your brushing, you're making it less effective while still damaging your teeth. Now here's something else most people overlook: time. You've probably heard the 2-minute rule, but here's the truth. It's not just about brushing for 2 minutes. It's about how you divide that time. Most people spend too much time on easy areas and rush through the hard ones, like the back teeth, or along the gum line, which are actually the most important areas. Electric toothbrushes often have timers, but if you're not moving properly, that timer doesn't help much. Now here's a mistake almost nobody talks about: using the wrong brushing technique. With a manual toothbrush, you're taught to move in circles or strokes. But with an electric toothbrush, you're supposed to guide it slowly, tooth by tooth. Let it do the work. No scrubbing, no rushing, just positioning. But most people don't do that. They brush like they always have. And that completely defeats the purpose. Now let's talk about something subtle, but important: gums. If you brush too aggressively, especially with an electric brush, you can irritate your gums. Over time, this can lead to gum recession, which means your gums slowly pull back, exposing more of your teeth. And once that happens, it's very hard to reverse. Now here's the part that might surprise you. Electric toothbrushes are actually very effective when used correctly. They can remove plaque better. They help with consistency. They even make it easier for people who struggle with manual brushing. But only if you use them the right way. And most people don't, because no one really explains the difference. They just assume, turn it on, and brush like normal. But that's where things go wrong. Now here's a simple way to fix it. Instead of scrubbing, just place the brush on each tooth. Hold it there briefly, then move slowly. Let the brush do the movement, not your hand. Use light pressure, almost like you're just guiding it. And focus more on the gum line, where plaque builds up the most. Small changes, but a huge difference over time. Because brushing isn't just about effort, it's about technique. And once you understand that, you start brushing differently, more carefully, more effectively. And the next time you pick up your electric toothbrush, you'll realize it's not about brushing harder. It's about brushing smarter.